In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy card lists in Trello, step by step. If you're organizing projects, planning content, or managing a team, duplicating lists can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of rebuilding the same structure over and over again, you can simply copy a list and reuse it instantly. I'll also show you how to move that copied list to a different position on your board. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Trello tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where your list is located. In this example, we're inside the YouTube planning board. You can use any board you like, but the steps will be exactly the same. Once you're inside your board, find the list that you want to copy. For example, let's say we want to duplicate the research and scripting list. This works for any list on your board, whether it's tasks, ideas, workflows, or content planning. Now go to the top right corner of that list and click on the three dots. These three dots open the List Actions menu. This is where Trello gives you additional options for managing that specific list. After clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Copy List. This option allows you to duplicate the entire list along with all the cards inside it. Next, Trello will prompt you to type in a new name for your copied list. This is important so you can easily distinguish it from the original. For example, you might rename it to Research and Scripting Template or Research and Scripting Week 2, depending on your workflow. After entering the new name, click on Create List. Instantly, Trello will generate a duplicate of the original list with all the same cards inside it. This is extremely useful if you're creating repeatable systems or recurring project structures. Now let's say you don't want the copied list to stay in the same position. Maybe you want it at the beginning of the board or somewhere in the middle. No problem. Go to the copied list, click again on the three dots in the top right corner to open the List Actions menu. This time, click on Move List. You'll now see options to select the board and choose the position of the list. If you're staying on the same board, simply focus on the Position dropdown. Click on the Position selector and choose where you want the list to appear. For example, if you select Position 1, the list will move to the very beginning of your board. After selecting your desired position, click on Move. Instantly, Trello will reposition the entire list exactly where you selected. And that's it. You've successfully copied a cart list in Trello and moved it to a new position. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks, and it can dramatically speed up your workflow, especially if you use templates or repeat similar processes regularly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.